Alright, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, I was spinning around the belt. This is actually the power steering pump. Goes to the crank, goes to the alternator, goes up to the AC compressor. But what I wanted to show you is this little cut right here. Okay, so was checking all the fluids on this Honda Pilot, checking the power steering, checking the coolant, transmission, radiator, and I just noticed this. I had to spin it around to line it all up again. But this looks like a manufacturer's defect to me. This is a little cut, and I don't know if you guys can see it, but you can actually see the steel, the pulley through the cut. Eventually this will become a problem, so I'm not going to ignore this. I need to change this out. This was a Gates belt, said it was made in Mexico. So I stepped up to a banjo bolt. I want to say banjo bolt. It's a banjo belt. Serpentine belt, drive belt. For those of you who can't read, 6PK 2135. Some other numbers there. But yeah, man, can't believe this. This belt is probably... Now, when was the timing belt done? Hang on, I'll tell you right now. So it was done on 12/9/2018. It is now January 10th, 2021. So a little bit over 2 years old, a year and a month. This should not be happening to this belt. This belt should last a lot longer than that. Man, my confidence level in Gates belts is going downhill quick. I've had problems with Gates water pumps failing at 60,000 miles on a J-Series engine, and it wiped out the belt, and the pistons hit the valves, and both heads had to come off, and that's happened twice now. You know what? I'm just going to stay away from Gates. They used to be so good. My dad used to tell me, stay with Gates, they're the best. Well, going to Bando. So I'll put a link in the description below where you guys can pick this up on Amazon. But yeah, if you see any kind of defects in your drive belt, change it out. Don't risk it. Okay, found it. Okay, found it. It's right there. All right, you can see. Went all the way to the other side. Should not look like that. It should not look like that at all. Like I said earlier, Gates used to be so good. So good. Kind of looks like just a manufacturer's defect. Maybe a bracket got in the way, you know, maybe a hose clamp got in the way and cut it. You would see drag marks along the belt, or more damage than this. So kind of disappointing in Gates, guys. Stepping up to Bando, which is made in the USA. USA. Right there. See it?